pixels.cool.
Welcome to and welcome to explainer number 7 in this showcase series. In this explainer we're going to export a short tour of our main gallery sections as an mp4 video. This is the only explainer in this series where we're actually doing something new. All the others are recap explainers. For more information about this, see the website. I'm going to use this asset, AT Plus video clip from the Unity Assets store, which will let us record our camera moves, edit them together and export them as an mp4 video file. This is a paid asset. There are many other paid and free camera recording assets on the Assets store. Of course, you're free to try any of them out. Since recording the earlier explainers in this series, I've continued to edit my Paris scene, my Dismal Land installation, and of course my favourite, the arcade corner. They're far from finished, but there's enough here to create a short video tour. I've opened the latest version of the gallery scene. I'll import the camera recording asset into my Unity project in the usual way. To create a new editing window, go to Tools, Ambience, Arch Toolkit, AT Plus Video Clip, Open Editor. The asset creates a new video editing window right inside Unity. I'll dock this new editing window here so it stays on my screen as a tab. To create a new video sequence, start by clicking on Add Project here. Click the cog to set the project settings. Give it a name. I'll set the video resolution to be 1080p, that's full HD, at 30 frames per second. As you can see, Videoclip Plus also includes options for 4K and even 360-degree video output. Make sure your scene view matches the aspect ratio of the video output. On the Game tab, I've set the 16:9 aspect. Now when I switch back to scene view, I can check the shape of my view matches what I'm actually recording. I'm going to start my video here near the gallery door and approach the simple Paris installation. Move the scene camera to place it at the preferred start position and click the large plus icon here to add clip. Then click here to add a keyframes clip. The current scene view will form the start of my clip. Now I'll move the camera to where I'd like it to be at the end of its first movement. This time hover just here on the right of the current thumbnail and click this smaller plus icon. Careful not to click the large plus again at this point. A new thumbnail is added showing the current camera location. We can play this movement back without recording it to a video file by clicking the play button here. Video clip defaults to adding a simple fade at the start and the end of each clip. If you don't want that fade, just click the clip transition icon here and set it to none. Videoclip Plus defaults to a clip of 10 seconds duration. You can change that here to speed the sequence up or slow it down. To add another camera move to the current sequence, move the camera to the next start point. I'll click the large plus again and select Add Keyframes Clip. Again, decide on where the camera move should end. Then click the smaller plus. Let's have a look at the entire sequence so far by clicking on Preview here. I'll just do a similar thing for Banksy's Dismal Land. Let's always through that. Okay, then I've got a workable camera sequence and it's time to export it to a video file. To export it, click on Record Video. The animated camera is now recording its view to an mp4 video file as it moves around. To check it's worked, click on Open Recordings folder. That's working nicely. I'll go on to create and export additional short sequences, then bring them into Vegas Pro or Premiere Pro to add a soundtrack. see our separate explainer series for working with video editing. In the next and final explainer in this series, we're going to wrap up our gallery showcase series by exporting the gallery to a Meta Quest headset.
Pixels.cool